Hello everyone, welcome to this 10-minute yoga practice. My name is Victor and I will be your guide today. Find a comfortable place to practice where you won't be disturbed and let's get started. Begin in a comfortable seated position with your eyes closed. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Bring your awareness to your body and notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Take a moment to set an intention for your practice today. Sun Salutation A. From your seated position, come to standing at the top of your mat. Begin Sun Salutation A by inhaling your arms up overhead, and exhaling as you fold forward, bringing your hands to the ground. Inhale to halfway lift, exhale to plant your hands and step back to a high plank. Lower down to the ground, then inhale into an upward-facing dog, and exhale into a downward-facing dog. Hold here for a few breaths. Then step your feet forward to meet your hands and repeat the sequence a few times. From a downward-facing dog, step your right foot forward and come into Warrior 2. Bend your right knee and extend your arms out to the sides, gazing over your right fingertips. Hold for a few breaths, then straighten your right leg and repeat on the other side. Triangle pose. From Warrior 2, straighten your right leg and reach your right arm forward. Then hinge at the hip and reach your right hand down towards your shin, ankle, or the ground. Extend your left arm up towards the ceiling and gaze up toward your left hand. Hold for a few breaths, then come up and repeat on the other side. Tree pose. Shift your weight into your left foot and lift your right foot up, placing the sole of your foot on your inner left thigh. Press your foot into your thigh and your thigh into your foot, finding your balance. Bring your hands to your heart or extend them overhead. Hold for a few breaths, then repeat on the other side. Come to a seated position with your legs straight out in front of you. Inhale your arms up overhead, then exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your toes or ankles. Keep your spine long and hold for a few breaths. Lie down on your back with your arms and legs outstretched. Close your eyes and allow your body to completely relax. Stay here for a few minutes, focusing on your breath. When you're ready, slowly bring yourself back to a seated position. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking the time to practice today. Namaste.